Hello world! From Just Jotted News, there's a huge question that has been circulating ever since Justin and Blake Lively's legal battle has come to light. If their court case will be televised? You might remember some famous celebrity court cases in the past we on TV like Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's infamous trial was televised, as was Gwyneth Paltrow's ski accident court case. So will Justin and Blake's also be televised? A legal expert named Gregory Dahl told people that it's unlikely, and he explained why. By filing in federal court, they foreclosed the possibility that there will be any cameras in the proceedings, he said. Additionally, U.S. Courts Government Breakdown Judicial Conference policy does not allow either civil or criminal courtroom proceedings in the district court to be broadcast, televised, recorded, or photographed for the purpose of public disseminations. The actual court case start date is set for March of 2026. Good day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!